Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So babes, Wodumo's family has spoken out for the first time that she actually found out that her husband Mampintsha had died from social media, you guys. So before the family were told, the news had already broken out that Mampintsha had sadly died. So it means that someone who works at the hospitals told someone about Mampintsha's death before the family knew. Such a disrespect. So without wasting your time, please check out this video. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so.
Hospital on the 23rd, the day before he passed, and she said everything looked well. They actually thought that he would be discharged on the 24th, on the day that he passed, but unfortunately she woke up in the morning to social media, people saying that he had passed. And the story there that I'm being told by the family is that one of the nurses in the wards where he was staying in is the one that broke the news to certain people, and that's how word got out. The family was very unpleased with this, because then that's how, unfortunately, his wife also had to find out through social media, and that's where they saw very distraught, Babes Wodumo, who couldn't even contain herself because of the way that she found out. So the family is also making appeals to the public as a whole to just hold up, on breaking such tragic news whenever anybody else passes, instead of confirming with family first, or or just going on